Okay, now in this video, I want to talk about the complement of a set, right? So we start by saying that the complement of a set A of elements in the universal set. So you know what the universal set is, right? Universal set is a set that contains every possible element, okay? So if, for example, now the universal set can be the set of the English alphabet, okay? And then set A can be the set of vowel letters from the English alphabet. So that means that the universal set contains all the letters it could, okay? Then a subset of the universal set would be a set that contains part of the letters of the alphabet, okay? So we're saying that the complement of a set A of elements in the universal set that are not in the set A, that is to say, okay, the complement of a set is denoted by, let's say, a complement of set A will be written as set A complement, okay, A and little c on top, or you can write it as A and you put a prime like that, right? So A complement, or this is the same thing, okay? So that means that elements that does not belong to set A, okay, are said to be the complement of a set A. That is just the idea. Okay, so let's use this example to motivate ourselves more. If U is equal to A, B, C, D, right? There are 4 elements in the universal set. So I'll represent it like this to mean the universal set. Okay, we can use this. Alright, so something like that. Or we can even go ahead and make use of this to represent the universal set, any of them, but the U is being used most of the time. Okay, so if U, that is the universal set, is equal to A, B, C, D, and A is a set, okay, from the universal set, from the definition, and we have it that A is equals to BC. It contains 2 elements from the universal set. Then A complement, okay, from the definition, all the elements that exist in the universal set but not in set A. So A complement will be A, which is not in set A, and D, which is not in the set A. So these 2 elements will exist in the A complement because they complement the main set, alright? Okay, very nice. So that is just it about the complement of a set. Now there is a very important thing I would like you to note in the complement of a set. So I would like to get this part. Okay. Now I want you to know that when we have a set A, alright, if you have a set A, then the complement of the set A will mean elements that does not belong to the set A. Alright, now this is another thing to note, very important. If you complement the complement of set A, that is, you have set A complement already, then you now complement it, alright? So this is the set A complement. Then you now take the complement of set A, the result is going to give you A. So, for example, here we have that A complement is AD, alright? So if you want to take the complement of A complement, if you want to complement that will give you the complement of AD, alright? So elements that belongs to the universal set but not in A complement means A complement complement. Elements that belong in the universal set but not in A complement. So you talk about A complement to be AD. So elements that belong to the universal set but not AD are BC, right? BC. And if you want to look at BC is the same thing as A. So that is why you say that the complement of a set is equal to the set itself. Alright? So that is very, very nice. Okay, so we are going to stop here for the video. Alright, I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel.